How to track FedEx order. So hello guys, if you want to track your FedEx parcel or order, so how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. The process was same for Android, iPhone and PC. So for that we will simply go to Google Chrome. You guys can use any browser. So I will simply go to Chrome. Here you guys will search for FedEx tracker. So simply search for FedEx tracker. Once you search for that, you guys can see FedEx track your shipment or package. Also on second, you guys can see track by order or treat number. On third, you guys will see advanced shipment tracking. So simply click on advanced shipment tracking. You need to make sure that website was original. After confirming that, you guys will simply click on that. Once you click on that, you guys will see customize, manage and track your shipment. Also log in to track. So here you need to simply log in your FedEx account, and once you log in, you guys can track your parcel. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.